Yeah, perfect timing. Yeah, and by hearing you talk about geopolitics already, um, just a question for our audience. When you look at the Black Sea or the South Chinese Sea or any Arctic routes, um, can you talk to the audience how they can find maybe some key indicators, how to monitor maybe potential escalations or maritime hotspots? What's your take on that?
I think a lot of maritime requires some sort of historical knowledge. So to understand why the ships are going in a certain way or why people are reacting in a certain way or why they're angry, you have to understand the historical significance of the area and what wars have been fought, what importance maritime has for that area. Like if we're looking at the Indo-Pacom region, like China, um, there's a lot of shipping, there's a lot of fishing that happens there. There's a lot of shipping. It's a there's lots of shipping lanes, and then you have all the contested waters. So understanding that helps you understand the patterns that you're seeing, and then you can pick out the anomalies. And I spend the majority of my time doing that, finding what is going on now, like baselining an area and then determining what looks anomalous and then aligning that historically with like what I can find out. Is this actually anomalous or, is it because a ship is stuck in the Suez Canal or because they're not allowed to travel in that specific region? So I would say the main thing is start to understand the patterns of the regions you're looking at, and then you could more easily pick out what's anomalous.